In our first story, we will be talking about how the Tesla Giga Berlin-Brandenburg factory resumes production after suspected arson, Musk visits, and commends the team. Following a suspected arson incident at the Tesla Giga factory in Germany, production of the Tesla Model Y has been restarted at the Tesla Giga Berlin-Brandenburg facility. According to a report by Teslarati, the Works Council chairwoman, Michaela Schmitz, announced that the machines were checked and started up safely so that the early shift can start again. Elon Musk shared on X, expressing his gratitude. Thanks to the hard work of the Tesla Giga Berlin team and support from the community, the factory is back online. Additionally, Elon Musk, Tesla's CEO, made a supportive visit to the Giga Berlin-Brandenburg site and its workforce, standing by them during these challenging moments. A highlight amidst the situation was the company's decision to ensure all Tesla staff received their full wages during the downtime, a commendable move by Elon. In our second story, cool stuff is coming to Tesla. This is in March or April 2024, according to Elon. According to Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk, he has some really cool stuff coming both this month and next. He didn't give a hint on what it could possibly be, but the hope is that he brings out some small but impressive improvements to the software and hardware. Many people want the better auto wipers, as the ones found on a majority of the Tesla vehicle lineup have not caught up to other car brands' technology. Even though this was promised a few months ago, we have yet to really see them on all Tesla vehicles. Hopefully he can bring a redefined Tesla Model 3 and Model Y with all of the Highland version features we saw in Europe. Who wouldn't want to see the nice lighting all inside the vehicle? A nice rear monitor screen for the passengers to use and get distracted instead of seeing them move to the side to see what's on the front monitor screen. My main hope is to see a version 5 of the electric charging stations, where instead of waiting 20-30 minutes to charge 80%, we may have this new version do it in 15-20 minutes. Or even better, he finally brings out the damn battery swap locations he promised us, where within 5-10 minutes we get a new, fully charged battery skateboard. One can definitely dream, can't we? In our third story, we are going to talk about the latest software update, 2024.8. Tesla began rolling out its latest software update, 2024.8. Its main features are a new one-time charge limit feature, as well as support for adaptive high beams in some regions. The Tesla head of vehicle engineering, Lars Moravi, took to X to point out the features rolling out with this new software update. He wrote, "We just started rolling this out to older hardware-capable 3YS and X cars in Europe with 2024.8. Great work by the teams to get this going and approved. More regions and features to follow as we get necessary certifications. With adaptive high beams, headlights will detect other road users, such as vehicles and bicyclists. It will then automatically adjust the high beams accordingly. Drivers are even able to enable the new headlight feature from the vehicle's lights menu under the adaptive high beam setting. Drivers can also select the one-time charge limit option when preparing to take a road trip. This will increase the normal charge limit, meaning that it will go over the 80-90% mark. It will revert to the normal charge limit the next day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.